Hey there, 3D printing enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of upgrades on the Ender 3 Pro. Get ready for a transformation like never before. But when it's all said and done, we'll see if it was really worth it.
I hope so.
Stay tuned and find out on...
Wait for it.
Can't knock the Ender. First up, the Creality Sprite extruder. It's already been certified and tested as a dependable extruder in the 3D printing world. Being direct means it extrudes and retracts faster thanks to the gears snuggled close to the nozzle. Prints have retraction times of 0.5 to 2 milliseconds instead of 6 to 8 milliseconds. That's a speed jump in itself. The Creality Sprite extruder was relatively simple to install, but the connections do go all the way to the board. Dual Z-rods, more stability, less Z-axis jamming. As a matter of fact, I haven't had a failure due to Z-axis movement at all. These rods not only make the printer rock solid, but also speed up the Z-axis movement. The install could be difficult to someone who's not used to DIY projects or not mechanically enabled, because the power supply has to be moved in order for the second rod to be installed. Bright lights, better AI, beautiful time lapse. The LED light isn't just for looks. It helps catch failed prints from the camera with the AI settings in the Sonic pad. It also makes time lapse videos clear and completely useful for scenes like this. Movie magic right on your 3D printer. This was a pretty simple install. Again, these wires connect to the power supply directly. Make sure the printer is unplugged before installing and in a stable position so the build plate doesn't move back and forth. That can cause energy to be created as well. Simple upgrade with a PEI sheet. Prints stick like magic with a spray of Aquanet and pop off with no problem. You can print on the rough or the smooth side of the build sheet. It all depends on the finish you want at the bottom. Creality Sonic Pad makes Clipper firmware a breeze to install on the Ender 3 Pro. Clippers in deck control and higher speed settings make your printing experience extremely personal and customizable. The input shaping test that measures resonance reduces ringing on the prints by counteracting the frequencies that create them. I know that sounds like a science experiment, but in simpler terms, it just means you can print faster without the little echo artifacts on your prints. The CR Touch makes leveling less of a headache. It creates a mesh of your build plate, waving goodbye to tedious manual leveling. You still have to be close to level, but you don't have to be perfect. Humans are humans. You just gotta give us room to be humans. Did I just say human too much?
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
But wait, we're not done yet. Let's put these upgrades to the test with a speed benchy. Ready, set, print! Look at that benchy go! These upgrades are not just cool, they're turning this printer into a 3D printing speed demon. Wrapping it up, these upgrades turn your Ender 3 Pro into an Ender 3S1 Pro, essentially. These upgrades aren't for anyone who's looking to invest in a new printer. These upgrades are perfect for people who want their old printer as reliable and speedy as possible. So is it worth it? Absolutely. These upgrades make 3D printing on the Ender 3 Pro way more efficient. You're able to upgrade a classic and keep up with today's latest bestsellers. Let me know if there are any upgrades on this video you want me to dive deeper into or create tutorials for. Jot it down in the comment section below. Also, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification button. Happy printing, people. Till the next video.